Roxburgh with the Roxburgh Group, and today I'm here with Chris from Anchor Water Damage and Restoration. My team and I have used Chris and her team for carpet cleaning and emergency flood services. So I'm going to let Chris tell you a little bit about what they do, give you some information about their pricing and their services.
Hi everyone, so I'm Chris and it's my husband and I that own the company. We're a family-owned company. We try to give that local family-owned feel. We've been in business since 2005. We are licensed and insured. So one good thing about using a professional carpet cleaning company is the water, when you use the hot steam extraction, the water is usually 190 to 200 degrees, and that helps get rid of these gross critters. They're dust mites, and they live in our carpets, our pillows, our stuffed animals, but when you get the carpets clean, it kills all the bacteria and stuff that they leave, and the dust mite excrement is what causes allergies. So it's really important to have your carpets clean at least yearly. If you've just purchased your home and you have carpets that need a little bit of TLC, or you have existing carpets that you'd like to have clean, we'd love for you to call us. You can reach us at 801-269-0343. You can find us on Facebook under Anchor Water Damage and Restoration, or our website is anchorrestoration.com.